Brian, hold on 1 second. I'll be right with you, Mr. Duckford. Brian!
What?
I was just thinking, let's order a kebab.
A what?
A kebab. But I want it in this order. Vegetable, meat, meat, vegetable, meat. And Mr. Duckford would like some crackers.
Can I leave now?
No, Brian, no, you can't. Brian, I need your help. I've made a series of small poops in my bath, and I need you to scoop them out with this fishnet.
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
You have to. You're my butler.
I'm not your butler.
I know, but wouldn't it be great if you were? I'd be so happy. In fact, the only thing that would make me happier would be if this tub was filled with yogurt. Can you get me some yogurt? Is the yogurt shop still open? Is there some place to dial up yogurt?
Stop saying that.
What's the best skin yogurt? Who can prepare me a nice yogurt treatment?
If you say it like that one more time, I'm going to drown you.
Yogurt. See, you're not going to do anything.